Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Discover this expansive 7-bedroom, 9-bathroom estate nestled in the prestigious Chancery Hall, Kingston, and sits on 0.23 acres of land. This palatial residence is the blueprint for unparalleled luxury, comfort, and convenience with your personal touch. The mansion boasts a 4-car garage with a whopping yard space able to fit 12 cars. 6 spacious bedrooms, each with its own ensuite bathroom, ensuring privacy and comfort for all residents and much more. An additional 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom flat provides a perfect space for guests or extended family. The breathtaking rooftop terrace offers panoramic views of the surrounding area, providing an idyllic setting for relaxation or entertaining guests under the stars. The centerpiece of the outdoor area is a stunning main pool, complemented by a luxurious hot tub. Whether you are swimming laps or enjoying a relaxing soak, this space is designed for ultimate enjoyment. Bask in the sun on the expansive sun deck or enjoy a refreshing drink at the swim-up bar, making every day feel like a vacation. Experience the ultimate in luxury living with this extraordinary mansion in Chancery Hall, Kingston. It's not just a home, it's a lifestyle. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 1.4 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.